Stellar's price is currently trading at 0.1517, having seen a weekly decline of 11.55%. Despite this drop, the broader market structure remains intact, with signs pointing to a consolidation phase following a previous breakout. The asset is showing a pattern of controlled pullbacks rather than structural breakdowns. This behavior is typical of assets in continuation phases, where momentum resets before potentially resuming upward movement. The price action near 15 cents reflects a measured correction rather than a breakdown in the bullish setup that has defined Stellar's recent market behavior. The tokenized value locked, TVL, for Stellar has climbed to $191.6 million, indicating growing institutional and tokenization activity within the ecosystem. This rise in TVL is a positive sign for long-term adoption and could support further price appreciation if the breakout above key resistance levels materializes. The current price level is positioned within a broader structure that could allow for a significant move toward 0.681. This would represent a potential 342% increase from the current level, with the possibility of extending even higher to $1.29 if the initial target is cleared. Market structure analysis shows that Stellar has been in a prolonged consolidation phase following a breakout in late 2024. This phase has been characterized by repeated impulse moves followed by compressed corrections, a pattern commonly seen in assets preparing for a continuation of upward movement. The recent volatility has narrowed, and selling pressure has softened, suggesting that the market is not in a state of panic or capitulation. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Instead, the price action indicates a period of reaccumulation rather than distribution. The current market setup for XLM is shaped by a combination of rising ecosystem activity, expanding TVL, and a technical structure that supports a potential breakout. These factors are shaping a longer-term narrative for Stellar that could lead to higher liquidity zones. The asset has shown resilience in maintaining its structure despite a short-term decline in price. This resilience is a key indicator that the broader bullish trend remains intact. The price is currently testing a key level near 15 cents, which could act as a support or a trigger for a new wave of accumulation. If Stellar manages to stabilize and begin a new upward move from this level, it could signal the start of a new bullish phase. The next critical signal to watch is a breakout above the resistance level that could lead to the 0.681 target. This breakout would need to be confirmed with increased volume and a sustained move above the resistance line. The market is also watching for signs of institutional adoption and tokenization activity, which could provide further support for the price. The TVL increase to $191.6 million is a strong indicator of growing interest in the Stellar ecosystem. This growth could translate into increased on-chain activity and broader market recognition of the asset's potential. The next key signal to monitor is the behavior of the price near 15 cents. If Stellar can hold above this level and show signs of accumulation, it could signal a shift in momentum toward a new upward phase. A breakout above the resistance would be a strong bullish signal, potentially leading to a move towards 0.681. However, if the price fails to stabilize and continues to decline, it could indicate a shift in market sentiment or a breakdown in the current structure. The market is also watching for any signs of increased volatility or changes in volume patterns that could indicate a shift in the trend. A breakout above resistance would need to be confirmed with a sustained move and increased volume to be considered a valid signal. Until then, the asset remains in a consolidation phase with the potential for a significant upward move if the breakout materializes. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. The broader market environment is also a factor to consider. Stellar's performance is influenced by macroeconomic conditions and the overall sentiment in the crypto market. A breakout in Stellar could be supported by a broader bullish trend in the sector. Traders and investors are closely watching for signs of renewed momentum in the market that could provide a catalyst for a new wave of accumulation and price appreciation. The next signal to watch is the price action near 15 cents and the behavior of the market structure. A breakout above resistance would be a strong indicator that the asset is entering a new bullish phase. Until then, the market remains in a consolidation phase with the potential for a significant move if the breakout materializes.